Hello learners, in this tutorial we are going to see the room and area tools that are available in Revit. So you can find the room and area tool under the architectural tab. Okay, so in the room and area panel you have the rooms and you have the area tools. Okay, so let's check them one by one. So let's get ahead with the areas first. So in order to create the area, like you can have the room and area data here from the drop down, you need to just first check the area and volume computation. So just check the drop down here that is available at the bottom like this, and just need to check the area and volume computation. So here the first tab we have is computation and the second we have the area scheme. Okay, so let's check this tab first, the volume computation. Okay, so volumes are computed at finished faces, and here the area is calculated, and if you want area and volume combined, so you can just check this one. Okay, depending on your requirement. So for now we'll just go ahead with the areas, and you need the room area computation to be from the wall face or the wall center or the wall core layer or the wall core center. So depending on the wall location you can have the area computation. Okay, so it's better to go ahead with the wall finish for now. Okay, and after that you have the area scheme, so you can define any of the area scheme that is required for you. Okay, you can use the existing ones, okay, or else you can create a new one. So if I create a new one, area scheme one, you can add description here, whatever is needed. Okay, so depending on the area scheme you can apply those area scheme into your current floor plans. Okay, so now let's go ahead with the already default schemes that are available. So let's hit OK. So once my preliminary settings are done, I will just open any floor plan you wish to apply the areas for. Okay, so now let's start with the level 0. So I'll go to areas, click on area plans. Notice the area placement tool is disabled because we haven't set the area plan. So once we set the area plan, this tool would be available for us. Okay, so now let's create the area plan first. So it's asking the scheme to be used. Okay, we have seen 3 schemes that are already present in the uh, area scheme settings that you have seen just now. So I'll go with the rentable. The level which we are currently working is level 0. So I'll go ahead with level 0 and hit OK. So now it asks like the boundaries are created with the external walls. Okay, so let's go ahead and press yes. You can see there are purple lines formed with respect to the external walls. You can just check it. Okay, so as my area plan is now created, you can see I have an option to place the areas. Okay, so before that we need to specify the area boundaries. So to specify area boundaries, you can have the boundaries created using this area boundary tool. Okay, so you can sketch it out. So I want this area to be separated. Okay, so this is my separated area. This is my separated area. And this is my separated area. Okay, so as we have marked the boundary, so now let's go ahead with placing the areas. So when I go and check the select the area tool, I can place the areas wherever I have defined the boundaries. So I'm able to place the areas. Okay, so once the areas are placed, the next thing is to assign or check the area type here. So I have gone with the rentable area scheme, so I have these area types options available. Okay, so I'll go ahead with selecting or assigning an area type for each of the placed areas. So all you need to check is the actual area, not the tag. Okay, you need to select the area, that is the cross mark that is visible with every area that you select, and there is also tag. Okay, there is also tag present. So you don't need to select the tag, but you need to select the area element. Okay, so whenever you select the area element, you can have the area properties popped up, and you can select whatever required uh, area type. Okay, so for now, let's keep it as a common area. Let's keep this as office area. Let's keep this as office area, and let's keep this as store area. Okay, so now you can rename it. Okay, so whenever you select the element, area element, okay, you can rename it office one. Here we have, if you are unable to select the area element, just press tab whenever you go near this tag, you just need to press the tab in order to select it. Okay, so this is also this. Okay, and this one is the store. Okay, and this is for the common area. So we have 4 areas defined. So in this way, we can have the area placement and its tagging. So even if there are no tags, so by mistake, if I delete all the tags, or if there are no tags, then you can have the tagging from here. Tag area, just need to hover over that uh, area element and just need to press the left mouse key, okay, in order to place the tag. You can also change the tag family from here. Okay, if you want to change the tag family, you can have it changed here. So for now, there are 2 types of tagging family available. So I'll go with the metric area one. Okay, so in this way, we can have the tagging placed. And now let's check how to distinguish or make it a more representable one. Okay? So uh, now let's make a legend for it. So in order to create an area color legend, all you need to go to the annotate tab. And here we have the color fill legend. Just click on the color fill legend and place it anywhere in the Revit canvas. So it's asking the space type. So we have selected the area rentable. So by default, it's area rentable and the scheme is currently 1. Okay. So we have the color scheme legend formed. Okay. We have the common area highlighted in pink color. We have the office and the store area. Okay. If you want to change the color for this or the preview for this legend, you can just select the legend, edit color scheme, and from here we can change it. So if you don't want the common area to be visible, you can just untick this. If you want to change the color, you can change it from here. Okay. You can change the color from here. If you want to change a pattern for here or apply any other pattern, you can apply it from here. So if you want any different pattern, so you can have it applied here. So I have just selected, means unchecked the common area visible, that is I have made it invisible. So here I can see the patterns for only the office and store area, but not the common area because I have unchecked it. So if you want it back, go to edit scheme, check this as visible. Okay. And you can see now it's visible again. And you can also see the patterns that are visible as we have modified them. Okay. So in this way, we can have the area tool used. Okay. And one more thing, if you delete, okay, so let's create a area schedule. Go to schedule, create areas. Okay. So we need the name. For example, we need the area, we need the area type, and also the level. And hit OK. As you can see, we have uh, 4 different areas, that is office 1, office 2, common, and store. So if you want to delete any area, okay. And one more thing, as we have previously used the level 0 floor plan, and we have created the area plan, and area plan is also created here. Okay, so which we are accessing is currently the floor plan that is available under the area plan subsort. Okay, so it basically duplicates the floor plan that we are using, and it's differentiating with respect to the area plan and the floor plans. Okay, so whenever you create a separate floor plan, sorry, area plan, it just copies the floor plan that you are using and it bifurcates with respect to the area plan subsort. Okay, now if you want to delete any area that you have placed, area element. Okay, so area element, you can think like as we do for the wall, just I place the wall and select it and delete it. It doesn't work this way. Okay, so if I just go ahead and select the area tool and hit delete, it's actually not visible in the floor plan, but it's present in the Revit file. Okay, so if I delete both the office area elements and go to schedule, you can see the office area elements are still present in my Revit file. Okay, as you can see here, but you can see they are currently not placed. Okay, so in order to delete any area or room element permanently from the Revit file, all you need to do is create a area schedule, and instead of deleting it from the floor plan or any view, just go to the schedule, select the entity and hit delete. Okay, so in this way, the room or the area elements are permanently uh, deleted from your Revit file. Okay, so instead of deleting it from the any view, it's better to go and check the schedule, and from the schedule you need to delete those elements, unwanted elements. Okay. So and whenever you are deleting the elements from the view and not from the schedule, it shows unplaced. Okay. So whenever you are printing or exporting the schedule, or placing it in any sheets, so this looks weird, like it's not representable data. Okay. So whenever someone asks where is office 1 area, office 2 area, why it's showing not placed, so you have deleted those areas, but still they are populated in the area schedule. So better to use the schedule and delete those elements permanently. Okay. So in this way your area works. Okay. So in the next lecture we are going to see all the stuff regarding the rooms. Thank you for watching.